This strategy works well in 1-minute timeframe. Select the stochastic oscillator, then change the overbought level to 80, and oversold level to 20. K period, D period. We are going to place the trade only when these two lines passes between overbought and oversold level. If they both moves downwards, we place down. And place up, if it moves upwards. Here, it is moving downwards, so we are going to place sell trade. The strategy we are using here has only 60% to 70% win rate. Keep that in mind. To increase the accuracy, we can wait for a little pullback, and then enter. For example, in this chart, the two lines moved upwards, and there are some candles formed red in between. So, that is the pullback made by the market while moving upward. Similarly, after the two lines touches the overbought level, it is moving downwards, and a pullback is about to form. So, we can enter sell trade now, with high possibility. Avoid entering the trade while the price is overbought, or oversold. Here is another example for this strategy. A red candle while moving upward. Obviously, the next candle ends in green. Same here. You can clearly see the in-between pullbacks. Contact me on Telegram if you have any doubts.